Good day to all of you. I hope you are staying safe at home these days. You have done literature, Buddhism, science and education work in Google Classroom. Very good, huh? This week I'll upload 5 maths video lessons to Google Classroom. You can go through the lessons and send me the answers like you did earlier. Okay, you have completed up to page 61, up to place value of money. So today I'll start with the new lesson, making 100. After learning this lesson, you will be able to make 200s, 500s or 1000 using this knowledge. Right. We'll come to the lesson. Here, can you see the beat string here? We are going to learn about making 100 using beat string. What are the beats in this beat string? There are red color ones and white color ones. Why have they used two different colors? Yes, they have used two different colors to make counting easy. Can you count and tell me how many red color beads are there in one set? Shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 red color beads in one small set. Altogether, we'll count how many beads are there in one bead string. They are grouped 10 by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Altogether there are 100 beads in all these bead strings. Right. Okay. We'll come to the first question. 60 plus which number is equal 100? First we'll start from the beginning. We'll count 60 beads. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and draw a line after 60. Okay. How many more beads are needed to make 100? We'll count from the end. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many more beads needed? 40 more beads needed. Right. We'll move to the second question. 45 plus which number equals 100? We'll start from the beginning. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Draw a line after 45 beads. How many more needed to make 100? We'll count from the end. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. How many more beads needed? 55 more beads needed. Right. I'll explain one more. Shall I move to the sixth one? Yes. Read the question. 62 plus which number is equal 100? First we'll count 62. Start from the beginning. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. Draw a line there. Then how many more needed? We'll count from the end. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. We need another 38 beads. Right. I think you could do from 1 to 6. We'll move to the next example. Can you see the example? 54 plus which number is equal 100. Here we are not going to use the bit string, but we keep the bit string in our head. That means we are not using the bit string, but we use that previous knowledge. Right. See the example. 54 plus which number equals 100. Can you see the balloon next to the question? What are the numbers there? 54 is there. 54 plus 6 plus 40. We'll see how we get those numbers. 54. What is the closest 10 to the 54? It is 60. How many do we need to make 60 from 54? 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We need another 6 to make 60. From 60 to 100, how many tens are there? We'll count. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. That is how we get 6 and 4. To make 100, we need another 6 and 40 to make 100. That means 46. That means 54 plus 46 is equal to 100. Right. Can you see? We are using the previous knowledge of bit string, but here we are not using the bit string. I'll explain another 2 examples. I'll take 7. After that I'll explain 14. Question number 7. Question number 7 is 73 plus which number is equal to 100. What is the closest 10 to 73? It is 80. How many more do we need to make 80? We'll count from 73 to 80. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. How many more do we need? 7 to make it 80. From 80 to 100, how many more do we need? How many tens do we need? 80, 90, 100. We need 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Altogether, we need another 20 plus 7 to make 100. 20 plus 7 is 27. So, answer for 7th question is 27. Right. I'll explain one more. After that, you can do the others using the same knowledge. Right. Question number 14 is 29 plus which number is equal 100. Here I have drawn the cloud. Can you see? Cloud contains 29 plus 1 plus 70. We'll see how we get those numbers. 29. What is the closest 10 to 29? Is 30. We need 1 to make 30. 29 plus 1 is 30. So we write 1 there in the cloud. Then from 30 to 100, how many tens are there? We'll count 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. From 30 to 100, we need another 70. I have written that 70 also in the cloud. So, how many more do we need to make 100 from 29? 70 plus 1, 71. Right. I'll explain another one. See question number 11. 26 plus which number equals 100? See the cloud. 26 is there. What is the closest 10 to 26? It is 30. How many more do we need to make 30 from 26? 27, 28, 29, 30. We need another 4 to make 30. From 30 to 100, how many tens do we need? Yes, we need 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. So, from 26 to 100, 70 plus 4, 74. So answer is 74. Right. Okay, now we move to next page. Page number 63. There also you have to find how you can make 100. Can you see a difference with the previous page? Yes. Earlier you had to fill the second box. Now you have to fill both the boxes. In this lesson also we'll use cloud to find the answers. Shall we check the example? Yes. 24 plus which number equals 100? We are starting from 24. What is the closest 10 to 24? It is 30. So we'll count from 24 to 30. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. From 24 to 30 it is 6. Can you 6 written there? Yes. From 30 to 100 how many tens? We'll count 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many tens? 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. So the answer is how we can make 100 from 24? 70 plus 6, 76. Then the answer for this box is 76. Right. I'll explain another 4 questions. 1, 2 and 9, 10. First we'll take first one. 41 plus which number equals 100? First, what is the closest 10 to 41? It is 50. We'll count up to 50. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. How many? 9. From 50 to 100, how many tens? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens is 50. So from 41 to 100, how many more? 50 plus 9, 59. So answer for this box is 59. Right. We'll take question number 2. This box plus 58 equals 100. From 58, how many more to 100? What is the closest 10 to 58? It is 60. From 58 to 60, 59, 60. How many? 2. From 60 to 100, how many tens? 70, 80, 90, 100. How many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. So from 58 to 100, how many? 40 plus 2, 42. So answer for this box is 42. Right, we'll come to question 9. 61 plus which number equals 100? Closest 10 to 61 is 70. We'll count 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. How many? 9. From 70 to 100, how many tens? 80, 90, 100. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. So from 61 to 100, how many? 30 plus 9, 39. Answer for this box is 39. Is it clear? Okay. We'll take 10th one. This box plus 29 equals 100. From 29 to 100, how many more? Closest 10 for 29 is 30. 29 plus 1 is 30. From 30 to 100, how many? Tens. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many tens? 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. From 29 to 100, how many more? 70 plus 1, 71. Answer for this box is 71. Okay. Now we have completed addition. I'll give some time to complete this homework. You have to complete 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have drawn the clouds. See the values. and try to understand and fill the boxes. Right. So far we have done addition to make 100. Now we are going to subtract values from 100. Can you read the second set of questions? Complete these subtractions. We'll discuss subtraction from 100 using an example. First we'll take the first question, question number 11. It is 100 minus 22 is 1. This means what is the value we have to add to 22 to make 100? So here also we are going to use the cloud method. We have to start from 22 to count up to 100 to fill this blank. Okay, 22 is already there. What is the closest 10 to 22? It is 30. We'll count from 22 to 30, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Up to 30 it is 8. From 30 to 100 how many tens? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many tens? 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. Right. Here we are not going to round 22 because 22 is already there. We want to find how many more to add to 22 to make 100. How many more should we add to make 100? 70 plus 8, 78. That means 78 plus 22 is 100. Right. I'll explain another two questions. I'll move to question number 15. 100 minus 83 is 1. 83 is already there. We have to find how many more should we add to 83 to make 100. What is the closest 10 to 83? It is 90. So how many more? 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 100. We need another 7 to make 90. To make 90. From 90 to 100 how many more? How many tens? 90, 100. How many tens? 110. So to make 100 from 83 we need another 10 plus 7, 17. So answer is 17. 18 minus 100 minus 83 is 17. I'll take the 20th one. 100 minus 13 equals what? We already have 13. We have to find out how many more should we add to 13 to make 100. So what is the closest 10 to 13? It is 20. From 13 to 20 how many? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We need 7 to make it 20. From 20 to 100 how many tens? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We need another 8 tens to make 100. 8 tens means 80. So from 13 to 100 how many more should we add? 80 plus 7, 87. So 100 minus 13 is 87. I hope you understood these subtractions from 100. Can you try to do the rest? 12, 11 to 19. I have drawn the clouds and explained everything. Okay. Now we'll move to the think question. First I'll read out the question. Using the digits 1 to 9, how many ways can you complete this calculation? Use each digit only once in a calculation. Okay, there are 4 blanks. You can find several answers for this question. I have written 2 answers. You can have more. For example, 79 plus 21 is 100. 9 plus 1 10. Take 1 to the left hand side. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. Altogether 79 plus 21 is 100. If we take 71 plus 29, 9 plus 1 10. Take 1 to the second column. 7 becomes 8. 8 plus 2 10. So answer is 100. You can have several values. For example, you can have 59 plus 41, that is also equal to 100. Then 51 plus 49 is also 100. You can have several answers, but the condition is you can use one digit only once. Have I used 7 twice? No. 9? No. 2? No. 1? No. Right. That ends today's lesson. Until we meet next time, it's goodbye.